And like I said before, in the first bonus step, we are also doing a very similar thing to week 3 in that we are adding a part or a sound effect to play when we get to the end space. So we're going to open up that provided scripts folder, go back into our player script. Up here in our audio clip section, we're going to duplicate that public audio clip speed sound if you have it there, or we can type a new one. We're going to call this one win sound. We're going to scroll down into that case 4 where we win the game. We're going to say as.clip equals win sound, and then as.play. Just like that. Go ahead and save the script. And then we need to go to each of our prefabs for our characters. We can hold the control key and click each one individually because we're going to add the audio clip to all 4 of them. We're going to go to our sounds folder and we're going to select that win sound and drop it into the win sound field. So now your project is fully complete. If you are to land on those win spaces, the game will end. You'll get some visual feedback, you'll get some audio feedback, and you'll get a nice show to say that, hey, congratulations, you've won. So once again, I want to thank you guys for doing the extra steps here, doing the extra work, the stuff that's not required of you. That's really cool that you guys are taking initiative and doing the extra work. Thank you so much for checking out all the videos. Thank you so much for joining us here at Techability. And once again, I really do hope to see you for next month's project.